What causes changes is not in that moment where you are talking to God. After having spoken to God, after having talked to God, there comes a time when you then have to have nature as your audience. You now talk not to the Creator anymore, but to what He created. Having been empowered by the 6-hour prayer, you derive power from talking to God. That relationship with God that you have had for 10 hours non-stop, 2 hours non-stop, 30 minutes non-stop. That relationship, that union empowers you then to talk to God's creation. So you order creation based on relationship with the Creator. And creation will hearken to you, will listen to you.